The annotation of Morga's book. Morga's book was important because it described the Philippines before and during Spanish rule. Rizal chose to annotate it because he wanted to correct the biased views of the Spaniards and show the Filipinos already had a rich culture even before colonization. So Rizal believed that Philippine history should be written truthfully and from the perspective of Filipinos. So he felt that history should not only praise the colonizers but also recognize the abilities, traditions, and achievements of the Filipino people. So Morgas often described Filipinos as inferior and uncivilized, especially after the Spanish rule. So Rizal disagreed with this view, so through his annotations, he showed that Filipinos were skilled, organized, and capable even before the Spaniards arrived. So Rizal used the book to restore Filipino identity and strengthen the national pride.